code?
Yes. This is the last code. The fifth code says we need to go upstairs to find a secret exit out of this place. Come on.
Come here.
This place is a haunted place. Come on. Okay, here it is, the secret exit. It said to go upstairs into here. Okay, let's go. We gotta go into the bed, and then it will make us go.
Tom?
Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wow! The Disney Channel! Here we go! Daisy, come on! Why am I standing behind this?
What happened?
Daisy!
Sammy, what just happened?
I don't even know. You're crazy.
Did you see Cutie Pie again?
No, I didn't. We're home! Thank you, everybody. You can see more Daisy and Sammy episode next time. Bye-bye.